Get set to unlock the full potential of your 2024 Ford Mustang's 5-liter engine with Flowmaster's exhaust systems. From Axleback to Catback, valved and non-valved, dual to quad tip, Flowmaster doesn't mess around. They offer 6 different part numbers to make sure you get the kit that's perfect for your ride. These Flowmaster Axleback kits also fit the 2.3-liter EcoBoost models. Today we're going to review and install all of them. These 3-inch stainless steel systems deliver impressive gains at the wheels, cranking up both your Mustang's power and unleashing an aggressive performance note that's bound to make your ride stand out. With these kits, you've got the choice of quad or dual 4-inch black ceramic coated or polished stainless steel tips, giving you the flexibility to personalize your Mustang to match your style. And if your Mustang is equipped with a factory active performance exhaust option, Flowmaster's got you covered, offering both valved and non-valved models to ensure you can keep your active exhaust system intact. 5 of the 6 S650 exhaust systems come as an Axleback, but all can be paired with our Scavenger Series X pipe. For those who prefer a mellower tone from their Mustang, Flowmaster offers an Axleback kit that features a Super 44 performance muffler with a single polished tip, delivering a subtle yet still powerful performance note with performance gains of up to 8 horsepower and 7 foot-pounds of torque. It's for Mustangs with no active exhaust option and features dual 4-inch polished 304 stainless steel tips. But for most of you, the Outlaw series Axleback kits are where the real action happens. Offered in 4 different configurations, these kits feature Outlaw series performance mufflers, which boast a straight-through design made from tough 409 stainless steel, ensuring long-term corrosion resistance. They're available in quad tip, active valve, or single tip, non-active valve with either black or polished tips. For Mustangs with the active performance exhaust option, the Outlaw Axleback kits deliver 17 horsepower and 17 foot-pounds of torque. The 3-inch 16-gauge mandrel bent stainless steel tubing maximizes exhaust flow for enhanced power. When you roll down the road, they'll hear that unmistakable Flowmaster power. For the ultimate in performance, Flowmaster offers a Catback kit that includes a full 3-inch Scavenger Series X pipe. This Catback kit is for non-active exhaust Mustangs and features dual black tips. This complete Catback kit delivers power gains of up to 18 horsepower and 18 foot-pounds of torque. Best of all, installation is quick and easy. All kits use the factory hanger locations and include all the necessary hardware for a do-it-yourself installation. You'll have to cut your factory exhaust, so make sure to measure twice before cutting. For Axleback systems, measure 5 inches from the beginning of the straight tube section after the bend towards the muffler. Then use a reciprocating saw or cutoff wheel to make the cut at the edge of the tape. For Catback systems, make the cuts to the front pipes after the catalytic converters by measuring 11 inches from the weld on the bottom of the driver's and passenger side catalytic converter. So brace yourself for an exhilarating surge in power and style with Flowmaster's exhaust systems for your 2024 Mustang. It's a mod that's sure to turn heads and make your ride even more thrilling. For all your Mustang exhaust needs, head on over to Holley.com.